Howdy, howdy guys! Debbie here. Today I want to do a little bit something different. I will try to attempt to bake a cheesecake in the microwave. I have never done it before, but I was always wondering, is it really gonna work? Well, if you stayed until the end of this video, you will find out if we are able to bake a decent looking, decent tasting cheesecake. Without further ado, let's get going. Pulverize graham crackers. Add 4 ounces of melted butter and mix until the crumbs are coated. The butter acts like a glue, which actually holds everything together. Pour the crust in a microwave-safe baking dish. I use a 9x9 glass dish, but if you don't have one, I will put a link into the description where you can get one. Then get it nice and level and compact, so it all will stick together. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese and 6 ounces of sugar and beat it until it is nice and creamy. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Again, whisk it together until it is very well combined. Oops, I think I'm making a mess here, splattering all over the place. Add 2 eggs, but one at a time, and then mix it well again. Now comes the fun part. Let's pour in the cream cheese mix on the top of the crust, and then we're just gonna level it so it's even on the top. And then it goes in the microwave. As I said, all we have to do now is pop it in the microwave. Let's do like 2 minutes and see what it looks like after that. Okay, so 2 minutes are over. So you will notice it starts to cook and it gets a little bubbly on the top. So we need to cook it a little bit more all the way through. So I would say we're gonna try at least another 2 minutes. So it's been 4 minutes and the center is already cooked pretty well. There's still a little bit of a jiggle in the center, which is great. And also the sides are wrinkled, which is perfect. It's probably another minute or 2 to cook. And the cake is done. It does not jiggle anymore and the sides have kind of pulled away from the glass. Also, when you look at the top, it's cracked a little bit, which is totally fine because that's natural. That is just that the eggs have cooked inside. Let the cake cool down and then we will pop it in the fridge for a couple of hours. After that, we will slice it and see how it looks. I decorated the cake with some fruits I had on hand. It looks real pretty, don't you think? Okay, so far so good. Let's see if it tastes good. Oh wow, nice and creamy and tastes really good. Man, I'm quite surprised. So making a cheesecake in this short time, like 6 minutes, that's absolutely amazing. But see for yourself and let me know how yours turned out.